Introducing the 2025 Land Rover Discovery Sport S, a luxury SUV that's built for adventure, while delivering premium comfort and modern technology. Finished in stunning Carpathian Grey premium metallic with a refined leather interior, this all-wheel drive Discovery Sport is ready for your daily drive or your next weekend getaway. One of its top features is the advanced Pivi Pro navigation system, keeping you connected with intuitive navigation and easy access to your favorite apps. The Discovery Sport also offers a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, dual-zone automatic climate control, memory seating, a power liftgate, and automatic high-beam headlights for added convenience. With just 10,667 miles, this SUV combines luxury, versatility, and capability into one impressive package. If you're looking for a premium quality SUV, this vehicle deserves a closer look. Contact our dealership for more details.